We've all been there, right? You're looking at a huge stack of brand new iPhones, and you just know that every single one needs to be unboxed, set up, and secured by hand. It's a massive time suck, and honestly, it's a security nightmare waiting to happen. Well, what if there was a way to automate that entire process? Today, we're going to dive deep into how you can enroll every Apple device into Microsoft Intune without ever having to physically touch it. So here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about why doing this manually is such a pain. Then we'll get to the good stuff, the zero-touch solution. I'll walk you through the step-by-step blueprint, you'll see just how slick the experience is for your users, and we'll finish up with some pro tips to make you a deployment champion. Sound good? Let's get into it. You know, setting up devices manually really is a thing of the past. It's not just about the mind-numbing hours of work, it's the security holes that pop up when setups aren't consistent. And forget about trying to scale that process for a growing company. There is a much, much better way. I mean, this slide really says it all, doesn't it? Over on the left, you've got the old world, slow, inconsistent, and insecure. And on the right, that's the future, streamlined, secure, and totally automated. We're talking about a complete game changer here, moving from hours of work per device down to just a few minutes. It's the difference between hoping a device is secure and knowing it's secure. So what's the magic behind all this? Well, it's a framework from Apple called Automated Device Enrollment, or ADE for short. Just think of it as your ultimate weapon for taming your entire fleet of corporate-owned devices, making them ready for work right out of the box.
Let's get specific on what this means. ADE is a process that forces a device to enroll into your mobile device management solution, in this case, Microsoft Intune. And it happens right during that initial startup. The second a user turns on the device and connects to Wi-Fi, boom, the device instantly knows it belongs to your company and starts configuring itself. No user action needed, no calls to the help desk, it just works. Now, sure, there are other ways to get devices enrolled, like using Apple Configurator or a simple bring your own device enrollment. But this table makes it crystal clear why ADE is the absolute gold standard for any device your company owns. It is the only method that delivers that full, automated, and mandatory control from the very first moment.
Okay, enough theory. Let's start building. Before we fire up this automation engine, we need to make sure we have all the right pieces in place. All right, here's our shopping list. First up, you need an Apple Business Manager account. Think of this as your company's official home base for claiming ownership of all its Apple devices. Then you need a Microsoft Intune tenant. That's your command center for managing everything. Next, an Apple Push Notification Certificate, or APNS. This is basically the secure telephone line that lets Apple and Microsoft talk to each other. And this last one is key. You have to buy your devices from an authorized reseller who can drop them right into your Apple Business Manager account. Now it's time to connect the dots. What we're about to do is build a totally secure bridge between the Apple universe and the Microsoft universe. This one connection is the engine that powers this entire automated process. This part is basically a super secure digital handshake. You log into your Apple Business Manager, you generate a unique security token for Intune, and then you just upload that token into Intune. That one simple action creates a trusted relationship, proving to both Apple and Microsoft that they are authorized to talk to each other about your devices.
Okay, with that connection in place, we get to design the actual user experience inside Intune. This is where you'll flip the switch on supervision for maximum control and link the device to a specific user. But the best part? You get to be a hero and slash the setup time by telling the device to skip all those annoying, unnecessary setup screens for your users. Let me be absolutely clear about this. For any corporate device, supervision is non-negotiable. It's the key that unlocks all the advanced security settings you need. And making that management profile impossible for the user to remove, that's how you guarantee your devices stay secure and compliant for their entire life. Seriously, no exceptions on this one.
So, we've done all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Now, let's look at the payoff from the user's perspective. The goal here is a true wow moment. An experience so slick, they're ready to work in minutes.
Just picture this. A new employee gets a shrink-wrapped iPhone delivered to their door. They unbox it, they power it on, they connect to their Wi-Fi at home. Immediately, the device says this iPhone is managed by your organization, and it just starts configuring itself. Apps, email, Wi-Fi profiles, security settings, it all just flows down from the cloud. In a few minutes, their device is fully set up, secure, and ready to go. All with zero calls to IT. That's the magic.
So, you've built an amazing system. That's awesome.
Now, let's level up with a few pro tips that will make your deployment totally bulletproof and help you squash any little issues that might pop up. So, what happens when things don't go perfectly? Well, if a brand new device doesn't show up in Intune, your first call should be to your reseller. Make sure they actually assigned it to your Apple Business Manager. If an enrollment just seems to hang forever, 9 times out of 10, it's an expired APN certificate. Go check that first. And if a device finishes setup but is missing its profile, a quick manual sync in Intune usually forces it right down. Want to go from a good setup to a great one? Just follow these 4 rules. 1. Use ADE for every single corporate device. 2. Always enforce supervision for total control. 3. Layer on conditional access policies in Microsoft Entrée ID. This is how you set rules like only managed and compliant iPhones can access company email. And finally, always keep your corporate device policies totally separate from your BYOD policies. So you've done it. You've mastered zero-touch enrollment. Your whole fleet of Apple devices now sets itself up automatically, saving you incredible amounts of time and ensuring everything is consistent. But that brings us to the next big question, doesn't it? Now that all your devices are enrolled, are they actually secure? Are they hardened against modern threats? That's a story for another day.